Hey, I'm Jacqueline. Just thought I would pop in and show you what I'm working on today. I'm just getting some little samples and step outs ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a live workshop for machine applique. We're going to learn how to do machine applique. We're going to learn all of the supplies that you need, how to prep all your pieces, how to sew them down. So right now I'm just getting, and you can see I have my patterns here that I'm working from. We're gonna be working on a teacup and a teapot tomorrow. So right now I'm working on the teapot. We're gonna be doing the teacup in blues. So I've got those ready to go. I've got just some of my fusible pieces ready to go so I can demonstrate those for you. And so then, since we're gonna be doing the teacup in blue tomorrow, and there's also a pattern for the teapot, I thought it would be fun to do the teapot in Christmas colors. So that's what I'm working on today. Is I'm just gonna get my pieces ready for tomorrow, doing my little teapot in Christmas colors. So I'm just sitting and cutting these out and getting ready. So if you would like to join us, it's going to be Tuesday, September 24th at 3 p.m. We're gonna add a link here if you wanna sign up. It's only $15 and you will learn everything you need to know to start with machine applique. So if you've never done machine applique and you wanna learn, this is a great way to get started. It's gonna be quick and fun and easy. It'll be live so you can ask questions, but there's also gonna be a replay. So if you don't get a chance to make it live, you can watch the replay. You have it forever access to that replay of the video that we're gonna be doing, all the patterns that you need, supply lists, all that fun stuff. So hope you'll join us. Just click on that link and you'll get more information. Bye.